Switching from iPhone to Huawei makes call history transfer difficult because iOS and Android store data differently, so direct transfer isn't supported, but you can use phone clone, backup tools, Google Sync, or carrier support. In this video, we'll show 4 ways to keep your call records. Method 1. Transfer iPhone call logs to Huawei using Huawei Phone Clone. Huawei Phone Clone is Huawei's official data migration app designed to help users move data from an old phone to a new Huawei device. Steps to transfer iPhone call logs to Huawei using Huawei Phone Clone. Install Huawei Phone Clone on both devices. Open it on Huawei and select "This is the new device." On iPhone, choose "This is the old device." Scan the QR code to connect. Select Data Enable Call Logs if available. Tap Transfer and wait. Check the phone app on Huawei to confirm call history is imported. Method 2. Transfer call logs from iPhone to Huawei with Android backup and restore. If Huawei Phone Clone doesn't transfer your call history, Android backup and restore offers another reliable way to transfer iPhone call logs to your Huawei phone. Step 1. Backup your iPhone to iCloud. Connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup. Enable iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. Step 2. Launch Android Backup and restore and connect your Huawei phone. Install and open Android Backup and restore on your computer. Choose Phone Backup. Connect your Huawei phone via USB. Wait until it is recognized and then click Restore. Step 3. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Select Restore from iCloud Backup from the left panel. Then sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 4. Complete two-factor authentication. If two-factor authentication is enabled for your Apple ID, enter the verification code sent to your trusted device to continue. Step 5. Download the iCloud Backup. The program will display all available iCloud backups. Select the backup containing your call history and click Download. Step 6. Transfer iPhone call logs to your Huawei phone. After the backup is downloaded, preview the available data. Select Call Logs and any other files you want to restore. Then click Restore to Device to transfer them to your Huawei phone. Method 3. Transfer call history from iPhone to Huawei via Google Backup. Install Google Drive on iPhone and sign in. Enable Google Sync in iPhone settings. On Huawei, sign in with the same Google account. Go to Settings Accounts Google and enable Sync. Check Phone app for call records. Method 4. Transfer iPhone call history to Huawei via your mobile carrier. Go to your carrier's website or app and sign in. Open Call History Usage Billing. Select Date Range and download PDF CSV. Transfer to Huawei via USB, email, or cloud. Open File on Huawei to view call history.